Sergeant Oweka George. Here, come here.
I recognize incredible officers and men who are retiring today, that your service and contribution to the nation building the peace of Uganda can never be underrated. You should therefore be justifiably proud. Your success in the army would not have happened without sacrifice and support of your families and the friends. You have retired, but we have a belief that most of you are not yet so tired. You just go and rest. But should there be need, when need to exist, that there is a need to call Sekaja, there is a need to call someone else, your uniform will be there waiting for you in the store.
Nkoze emyaka 36 mu magye ga President Museveni.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.